Elevator installation contractors need a solid grip on some pretty unique skills that not everyone has, especially if you want the job done right and safe. So, first up, you gotta know your way around hydraulic systems because elevators often use these to lift and lower the cab smoothly. Then, electrical wiring knowledge is a must, since everything from the motor to the control panel needs to be hooked up perfectly. Safety code compliance is non-negotiable. These guys need to be totally up to date with local building codes and safety standards to keep everyone safe and avoid legal headaches. Load testing is another big one. Contractors have to perform these tests to make sure the elevator can handle its maximum weight without any hiccups. Control system programming is also key because modern elevators run on complex software that controls movement and door operations, so knowing how to set this up correctly is crucial. Plus, having a good understanding of mechanical systems helps with installing and maintaining pulleys, cables, and brakes. Communication skills matter too, since these pros need to work closely with building managers, inspectors, and other contractors. And finally, being detail-oriented can save a lot of trouble down the line because even small mistakes in installation can cause big problems later. One of the biggest slip-ups elevator installation contractors make is ignoring hydraulic system maintenance, which can lead to leaks or failures. The fix is regular inspections and using quality parts. Another common issue is improper electrical wiring, causing malfunctions or safety risks. Double-checking circuits and following wiring diagrams solves this. Lastly, skipping load testing or rushing through it can result in unsafe elevators. Always performing thorough load tests following safety standards is essential for peace of mind. BigHomeProjects.com is the go-to spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local elevator installation contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making it easier to find work and grow their business.